Hi everybody, we're here today at the beautiful Myra-Bellevue Park just outside of Kelowna, British Columbia. We're here exploring the Kettle Valley Rail Trail and its amazing trestles. It's really cold today, minus 10 Celsius, which is about plus 14 Fahrenheit for all you Fahrenheit viewers.
And we really hope you enjoy this video. We appreciate your comments, so please remember to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Thanks everybody.
Thanks everyone.
There's a great view of Kelowna down there. Ice, not too icy, but it's hard packed. And we are wearing these grippers that we got at Costco. And they are great. Everywhere you look along the railway, along the trail, there's beautiful spots.
The trestles are numbered in reverse order, starting with 18 at the east side of the canyon. Such a great day. You can see Kelowna in the distance, the city of Kelowna. We're coming up to the first trestle, and it's number 18. Rock cut wall.
They would have blasted out this whole section.
We've never seen the Kettle Valley Railway in the wintertime. It's so freaking beautiful here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful view and the trestles. It's just a real special place to come. And we just love this adventure. almost forgot to bring you guys with us. We're just entering our first tunnel. We're in our first tunnel of our walk in the Kettle Valley Rail Trail. So I guess you could say this is number tunnel 1 or 2, depending on which way you're coming from, which end of the canyon, either the west end or the east end that we started at. It was a massive undertaking to blast all this rock away to make this large enough for the trains to go through. So I'm not sure the length of this one. I'd have to look it up. And we're coming out of the portal here, and this one is, the portal is reinforced with wood beams and wood structures here for added support. Okay, we have it's called tunnel cribbing. And there it is. That's a long ways from the base to the top here. Enough to fit a train through. Like I said, you never know who you meet on the trail. Hi, aren't you a nice fellow? Hey?
You can see the moon up there. It's a beautiful bluebird day. It was spectacular to see this in the winter time. Our first time up here in the winter, and it was a great wintertime hike on the KVR.
One of the best days we've ever had, despite being freezing cold.
I would say it's the most scenic part of the KVR Myra Canyon section. got the most trestles and tunnels. Mind you, we didn't go all the way, but we'll do another video in the summer. We'll come up here on our bikes. We'll bike the whole section.
12 kilometers each way by the time you do all 18 trestles and 2 tunnels. And this is such a world famous place. People come from everywhere to see this beauty of the Kettle Valley Railway, but Myra Canyon section. Other than freezing fingers, who can complain when you have such beautiful weather?
And shining down on Kelowna below.
So thanks for watching today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this snow hike of the beautiful Myra-Bellevue Provincial Park and the section of the Kettle Valley Rail Trail. Until next time, see you later. Bye for now.
See, I'm sinking.
What do we want to do? I think we want to be right here.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Are we kneeling down?
Yeah, sure. Okay, it's on. Should be picking
How,
us up.
like, how far down are we?
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Ready?
yeah.